What's up everybody, my name is Centrix and welcome to another Green Hell video. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a hook. Now the first thing you're going to do is get a bone, okay, because it is a bone hook. You can get fish bones or just regular bones. You're going to expand on that and you're going to harvest the bone. And that's going to give you bone needles. So you're going to open your crafting table and put that bone needle inside and you're going to get a bone hook. And now you have a bone hook. That's literally it. You don't need to do anything else. Just get a bone, make a needle, and make a hook. It's as easy as that, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If it helped you, please let me know in the comments, because I do appreciate every single comment. I reply to every single one of you. If you like the video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.